Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Akinrich 2. This tutorial I want to show you how to generate a brand logo with your phone. How to create AI logo for your brand. Now I will also show you place to go. I will also show you how to get paid with your logo that you create. Also show you how to download it. Now let's get started. My name is Akinrich 2. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Click on the notification bell so whenever I drop any useful video, YouTube will definitely notify you that I drop a video for you. Now let's get started. We are going to use normal WhatsApp. We have business WhatsApp and normal WhatsApp. We are going to use a normal WhatsApp. Now if you can see this Meta AI, so you click on it. Okay, let's click on it. It's loading. So look at the logo I've generated. You can see this is for brand. You understand? Now let me just copy this because of time. I don't want this video to be long. Now look at the prompt I write. I need a logo for my brand. I'm into fashion designer. Let the logo indicate fashion tools. Let the logo should be green, blue, and pink. That is for the color. So you can see. So this same thing, it generated me this. I didn't like it. Then I regenerate it another one. Look at the tools there. You can see. So it regenerates. Now let me say maybe um you are into what's it called, anything. What can I suggest? You are into barbing saloon. So now this one we need to remove the fashion designing. So write barber. So this fashion should also be deleted. We put on barber. Choose. Let the logo color. Let's put it color. Sorry. Color should be green, blue, and pink because I love that color. You can also, let's change this pink to yellow for those of you that love yellow color. So look at it. Let's wait and let's see what it will generate for us. Let's see what it will generate for us. Wow, look at this. So in case if you don't like this logo, and just write more. Just write more. Wow, I love this. But there is one mistake here that we need to correct. So the brand name should also have a name. We only bring out a logo. So I need a logo for my brand. So now for your brand now, let's say you are Aminot I'm not babe. So please, for the name to be special on that your prompt, you have to add star from the beginning. So also add star. So let's change this I mean not babe. You understand? I'm to Babin. 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 Okay, into Baba. Okay, indicates. Let the logo indicate Baba. Baba. To select the logo should be green, blue, and pink. I don't want this video to be long. That's why I'm doing the copying and paste. So we need a prompt. So that is the prompt I put for me. You can also ask that chat GPT or Meta AI to give you a prompt. But this is the prompt I generate. So now let's click on send. Let's see what Meta AI on WhatsApp will bring. Let's see. I mean not beep. You see? So look at scissors, look at the tools. Now in case if you don't love or like it, you can write more, then you send to regenerate another brand logo for you. For you. Let's see. I may not be. Wow, wow. I love this. I love this. I love this. Now, if you want to save this, just go tap on it because I love this. Now, on this top that you see Meta AI just now, you see star, you see forward, and you see this horizontal dot 1 2 3. Tap on it. It will bring option. Then you go to save. It has already saved. When you now go back to your gallery, go back to your gallery. Go back to gallery. You can see, wow, it's already been saved. So now I promise to show you place to go. We've already go to WhatsApp. So if you want this like um different what's it called logos, you easily go to your Chrome. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, please. So go to meta.ai. Meta.ai. You see, I pray the network should be okay. Okay. So see what we need. Aha! Look at what I just generated before I left for WhatsApp. Then um I need a logo for my brand. Don't forget the one we copied the other time. I'm into fashion designing. Now let the logo indicate. Let the logo indicate fashion tools. Let the logo should be green. Now for your brand, for my brand, you write, let's say um let's say Tokwe Tokwe fashion. Tokwe fashion. So for the for AI to know that you are writing something, so that star will be indicated. Then let's see. Let's see. It's generating. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Look at. Wow. So you can just view it. If you love this, fine. This, fine. I love this. Topware fashion, you see. Top fash. It just give you this for its tips. Look at it. Look at machine. Sewing machine here. Look at scissors. Look at needle picking. Look at tape rule. So if you want it to be admin late, look at what it will show for you. Look at it. It's loading. Please don't forget to share. Look at. Maybe you want to use it for video intro. This is for video intro. Tokpe fashion. You see. Look at. You can see. So thanks for watching. So I also promise to how to get paid with this logo and how to download it. I'll show you how to download it on WhatsApp. So how to download this? When it comes to this meta.ai, at this brown logo for Topware Fashion, look at the download button here. The first one, you see, just tap on it. See, it's already downloading. So if you want to start making money with this fashion, this your logo, all what you need to do is you easily go to Facebook, try to advertise, tell people more. You can also create free when people saw your see your creativities, then they can come to you. That's where you can get money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.